Hello there, you guys. I just wanted to come at you with a video just of myself. No kids this time. It's pretty early in the morning still, so I'm hoping that they're going to stay asleep for at least another 30 minutes. I hope you had a really great weekend. I celebrated my 7th wedding anniversary. Sometimes it feels like longer. I've been with my husband now for 10 years. I'm married for 3. So that was a pretty good weekend. I just wanted to touch base with you guys about a couple of things because I had a couple of people last week freak out about the way that their Canvas to-dos pop up, okay? So when my to-dos pop up, sometimes they pop up by due date, but if there's a bunch of to-dos, right, then they'll just pop up kind of out of order and all crazy. And on your end, I know that happens too. So I wanted to remind you of something, okay? If you go to your modules tab, everything, okay, this is my economics course in case you're in one of my other courses, but I have a ton of kids in econ, so I thought I'd throw up their course. Hey, econ kids. Everything for your units is directly in order, okay? Every piece, including if you have lesson pages in your particular course, the lesson pages are also like in order. It's really the only way that I can do this in order by putting quizzes and discussions and lesson pages and assignments. It's the only way, okay? So if you're wondering how to do your assignments in order so that everything makes sense, modules is where you always have to go. I try and make sure that nothing else is published for you guys so that you can go only through modules for a reason. It's easier that way. If you're also just like, I want to plan out my week and I don't want to look at modules, I did send to you guys a couple times through email at the beginning of the course and also in the first week announcement, okay, like the very first one. But if you go to my website, so if you go to the link that I'm going to post here in the announcement, okay, I will take you directly to this page. This page is where you can find all the printable calendars for your course, okay? These are very important. I talked to you guys about this already. If you click on a calendar, okay, it will literally take you to the due dates and everything that you have ready for your week. You can see, and I color code it because I'm a total freakazoid. And purple is the color of assignments, green discussions, and all the way through. Just make sure that you are looking at your calendar because each course is set up a little bit differently, okay? But as you can see, like if you go to your week, okay, we know that we have fall break on Friday. I know, I'm super excited. And you have a partner project in econ, okay? Make sure that you are communicating to your partner. I'm going to send out a separate one for economics kids, okay, a separate announcement for that piece. But you have printable calendars for a reason. I want for you to plan out your time a little bit more wisely and be able to go in order. So this works as well for you to understand what the order is for your pieces, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that these pieces helped you in kind of organizing your life for the rest of the course. Thank you so much, you guys.